Hey, hi Charters, hope so you are all doing great. So recently at EdWise classes, I was teaching CA students about capital budgeting and we came across the topic of IRR, the internal rate of return. The students were actually frustrated with using the trial and error and interpolation method to calculate the IRR, which took me on a nostalgic trip. During my ACCA journey, I used to calculate the IRR using a simple Excel function. Let me share the same method with you guys. So say for example the company's cash flow stream is expected from year 0 to year 5. Okay, 0 year being the year when the company actually invests. Basically it is the initial investment year. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this column is dedicated to the cash flows for both in and outflows. Dollar sign for the ACCA students and rupee sign for the CA students, right? Hopefully everyone is okay with that, right? So say for example in the first year the company made an initial investment of rupees 10,000. Since it is an investment, it is a cash flow, it is represented by a negative sign. Okay, just a second. Okay, and in the next year the cash inflow was rupees 10,000, 1,000, say for example 1,000, then 2,000, then 3, 5,000 and 4,000. So now what we can do simply is we can type the IRR function is equal to IRR, bracket starts, and we have to take the cash flow from the 0 period up till the last, that is the 5th year. Okay, and when we close the bracket and press enter, the answer we get is 12%. If we take it to 2 decimal places, the answer comes out to 12.23, and this is the exact IRR. So basically what is IRR? IRR is the situation where the NPV equals to 0. Okay, hopefully everyone is okay with that. So this was the simplest way to calculate IRR. Okay.